Hi, my name is Lauren Ward and I am applying for the Hydrafacial Glow Getter Scholarship. I've been a face painter and a body painter for about 11-ish years. I am currently halfway through my esthetician program over at Katherine Hines in Woburn, Massachusetts. Growing up, I had always struggled with acne, specifically around my forehead area and my cheeks. So I would try like every single mixed concoction that I could find on the internet to cure my acne, which obviously didn't help. At the age of 14, I discovered special effects makeup, which was amazing, and it was such a great creative outlet, but honestly, it stripped my skin barrier so much. Obviously, doing makeup looks such as these have really impacted my skin over the last 11 years. As I was younger, I wasn't removing it the proper way that I should have been, and I was actually using a loofah to scrub my face, so I have definitely learned my lesson. Not the best way to remove makeup now that I am older and I understand. I think after doing makeup for so many years and my love for skincare just developing year after year, I've found like an unexpected passion for it. Like I wasn't anticipating to love it as much as I do, and now it's like everything I think about. At the moment, I'm currently going to work during the day and then I leave work early and go to school at night, just trying to kind of make ends meet, which has been a little difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Receiving the Hydrafacial Glow Getter Scholarship I think would help relieve some of that financial stress. I think it would just help in the long run and help me to focus on school rather than the financial aspect of school. But I love to help others, and I love when my friends come up to me and they ask me for product recommendations. I just love like being able to like share my knowledge with them. I know that I'm only halfway through school, so my knowledge is kind of on the limited side of what I'm able to recommend to people. I haven't like learned everything, and I will continue learning after I graduate school because you never stop learning. I want others to feel like they're comfortable in their own skin and proud of their own skin, and don't feel like they have to cover it up with makeup, because that's the way I felt growing up. I felt like in order to go out in public, I had to have at least something on my skin. But now, because of makeup like this, I am so excited that I found like my true passion for skincare, and I'm going to be able to help people in the future transform their skin, feel confident in their own skin. I personally know how impactful it can be when your skin is not like everyone else's and you take a look around, you're constantly comparing yourself to others. So I just want to be able to help my clients, make them feel comfortable and confident. Thank you so much for considering me for the Hydrafacial Glow Getter Scholarship. I am so excited about what the future holds for me, and yeah, I'm just really excited. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.